believe it or not, we didn't start by focusing on people with no IT background. Me, with my business mind, came into this and said it would just be easier to train people with some IT background who were, for example, help desk who dropped out of school for IT and wants to get back in. And we realized these students were not our best students in terms of conversion into a job. It were the people with no IT background, because when you're training someone who's already in the industry or who knows so much, they come with more questions, they question the process more, they try to do this in their own style and their own pace, as opposed to the person who comes has a blank canvas and follow the process how we know it works best, because they don't have any other reference. They don't have any other choice but just to listen, take it in the format we deliver it, and actually make it work.